Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz. I am in grade 4B. Today we will talk about singular and plural nouns. Singular and plural nouns are singular nouns names one person, place or thing. For example, book. A plural noun names more than one person, place or thing. For example, box. Plural nouns. Add is to form the plural of most singular nouns. For example, star, stars. Add es to form the plural of singular nouns that end in s, sh, ch, x, or z. For example, box, boxes. To form the plural of nouns ending in consonant followed by the letter y. Change y to I and ses. And add es. For example, baby, babies. Many nouns that end in f or fe are made plural by changing the f to a v and adding es. For example, leaf, leaves. More example: bus, buses. Fish, fishes. Airplane, airplanes. Apple, apples. Rose, roses. Bag, bags. Cup, cups. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy.